This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by loading the tub properly. Place heavy items like towels at the bottom and delicates on top so everything moves freely. Once loaded, add detergent to the correct drawer and fabric softener if desired, then set water temperature based on fabric care labels, hot for whites, cold for colors to prevent fading. Make sure to close the door fully and select the basic wash cycle to get the drum spinning and water filling immediately. Now configure the detailed settings. Pick the cycle that matches fabric and soil level, delicate for lingerie, heavy-duty for jeans or bedding, because the wash action and timing vary. Once done, set spin speed. Lower spins reduce creasing but leave more moisture, while higher spins shorten drying time. If stains persist, add a pretreat or booster to the designated tray and enable extra rinse only when needed to remove residue. Finally, review the digital display and start the program immediately. When the cycle ends, open the door and remove garments promptly to prevent wrinkles and mildew. Shake items before hanging or drying. Once a month, run a tub clean program on the hottest setting with a cleaning agent to keep seals and pipes clear. If the washer fails to start, make sure it's plugged in, the door is latched, and both hot and cold valves are open. If you still have an error code, power cycle the machine and consult the manual or a technician for that specific code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.